Super Psychotic Idiots here with more hide and seek, and I have an amazing spot that I don't intend to let anyone know about. So let me just continue on my merry way. Yes, sir. In this spot, I will be the winner of this game because I am hiding in the sewers. She's begun. Junior? Oh, I lose! Already? No, you're not even done counting.
I went to 60. Oh well.
Yeah, I know where Junior
this is
is.
creepy. I'm going out. No, going out. No.
Ah! There's bee stuff. Maybe I should have one back here. So let me guess, you just saw where I won and followed me?
No, I didn't see you.
Yes, you
did see your shadow.
How big was my shadow?
It wasn't like a shadow. I saw you in the video.
Alright, I know what Junior is. Alright, so can I please not be it? Like, I really don't want to look again. It's really boring when you look. I want to hide. Alright, I'll pause this. Wait, no, I won't. How about we just end it because Junior won? Yeah. I would like to do it. No, please. Just wait until one person's found and another person wins. Let's just do it that way. Alright. You're going to wait till 6 minutes are over. 7 minutes, sorry. Guess it's going to get annoying. You can't be out here, Kara. Kara, it's against the rules for him to be there. Kara, stop! Stop, it's against the rules for him to go out there.
I know.
So why were you going out there? You dumbs? He's probably in the same spot. He just tricked you. But you saw which way he was going, right? Kara, stop, he's done. He won't go off the path. So come on. He won't go that far. You'd be able to see him. What? Okay then, split up, sure. You found him? What? Did you find him? Then why are you saying it's over? It's not over. There's still 4 minutes to go. Well, about 4 minutes, sorry. I'll come back here when it's over. What? What? What do you want, Kara? Alright, he wouldn't go this way. I know my plan. Derp, derp, derp. Where did he go? He didn't go far. I know he went that way, but... Where that way? What? I see him. He's not over here.
Okay.
Hi.
Is you all tied up? Deadpool.
E. Alright, he's not over here, Carol. Where do you think he went? Hello. Alright, game's about to be over. We lose.
Yeah.
How does he win twice?
Yeah, it's over.
No, it isn't. We got about 20 more seconds.
That doesn't matter.
Alright, yeah, Junior, it's over. Just come over here. You win. We have 10 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And start.
Start.
Yes, start. I think we got this, guys. I still see one. Good. Good, I still see one. Just need to wait a wee bit longer. Oh, shut up. Shut up. No, shut up. Yeah, you. Shut up. Shut up. Oh, you don't you mock me, you damn mockingbird. That's right. I know who you are. Do I? I'm disgusting, but... Seriously. This is what I get for... What? Let's go. I guess I know that for a fact that one of them went over here. Couldn't go past there, so we'd have literally the only possibility here is for them to go this way, so let's find these guys. Junior, I found you! No, Junior, in this I don't have to tag you! I don't have to tag you in this! That was fun, Rebel, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's
Is
go
that
find
last?
Kara.
Oh, I know where Kara is. She's on the other path.
I just saw her. I literally just saw her air whip by. Right there. Or else a squirrel. Her head's kind of a squirrel nest. But I'm singing. No? I didn't see it. Well, I saw it, but... Can't answer it. We're recording right now. What? Who are you? Oh. Oh, alright. Alright, we'll find Kara. We just gotta find Kara. Okay. Mom called me. Yeah. I really wanted to be higher again, Bo. Maybe we can do this again.
That's spider web on my face.
I don't know why you don't like this.
And I don't like outdoors.
Why? Why? Most of the indoor games are actually based off of nature, so there. How's Lori over here? Alright, let's find her.
Yeah.
We have. I found you in the first few minutes, so. Alright, so alright, we just have 3 more minutes to find her. She's unfindable. Alright, phone's also at low. I know, it's really confusing.
Carrot, just got notification. FF Live.
No.